Keep your cool, summertime money and energy saving tips for your AC. As the temperatures outside heat up for the summer months, you'll want to crank your thermostat down to keep cool. With increasing energy costs and tighter budgets, everyone is looking for money-saving, earth-friendly ways they can stay comfortable. If you're frustrated with a warm room on a hot day, check out these 4 simple tips and avoid spiking your temperature when you get next month's electric bill. Change your filter. Air conditioning truly does more than just cool the air, it also conditions it by removing allergy-irritating dust and dirt by trapping these offenders within the filter. Clogged and dirty filters reduce airflow, making your unit work twice as hard to achieve proper airflow. Replace your filters once a month, or as needed. Clean filters can cut your energy consumption by as much as 5 to 15%, and most models can be found at local hardware stores, big discount chains, and even grocery stores. Thermostat checkup. Today's central air thermostats can do more than just sense the degree of heat in the air. Many are programmable for the day, or week, to raise and lower the temperature automatically. You can cash in on this technology by setting your thermostat to a higher degree when you're away from home, and set it to a lower temperature when you're back in. You can do this manually with an older thermostat by simply adjusting the heat and cool when you leave, and then returning it to your preferred temperature when you get home. Either way, be sure to keep heat-producing electronics like televisions, video game systems, and lamps away from your thermostat. The heat put off from these devices will only trick your thermostat into thinking the air around it is hotter than it is. Conservation. Simple household tasks like cooking, laundry, and dishwashing can tax your air conditioning unit because the appliances needed to assist with these tasks put off a great deal of energy and heat. At the hottest hours of the day, your unit is working its hardest to keep your air temperature controlled. If possible, work with the variable temperatures of the day, and give your air conditioner a break by running these appliances during the early morning or late evening when the temperatures are the coolest. Run your bathroom and kitchen exhaust fans sparingly will also ease the workload of your air conditioning unit. Home inspection. Take a few minutes and tour your home for any signs of gaps between doors and windows. Properly sealing doorways and window seals can mean the difference between cooling the entire neighborhood and cooling just your home. While you're out looking, check your air conditioning unit's placement. Is it shaded or out in the sunlight? Does the unit appear to be level or is it leaning a bit? Are there trees, flowers, or shrubs closer than 2 feet to the unit? Can you see any excess fluid leaks or outside damage to the unit? You'll want to be sure that your unit has a shaded space to work, on a level surface, and without any plant life restricting its airflow. These simple tips will take the heat off you and your wallet all summer, and keep your air conditioning unit working in prime condition during the muggiest of days. Jessica Evans is a marketing agent for Arundel Heating and Cooling. Arundel provides quality and professional HVAC installation, repair, and service. For more information about Arundel Heating and Cooling HVAC contractor in Maryland, please visit their website at http://www.arundelcooling.com. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/jessica_j._evans/41162